There are several updates to the final year math requirement that will affect these students in the 2018-2019 school year. Now, this requirement is outlined in IDAPA Rule 080203-105. That is where all the graduation requirements are. And if you follow this QR code, it will take you to a PDF of IDAPA Rule, and this particular one can be found on page 13. So a couple of things to keep in mind. There's a requirement that basically says that 2 of the 6 math credits need to be taken during the senior year. And when it says taken, it's taken, not earned. Therefore, you could have a student who earns 6 credits over the course of high school, takes 2 more credits their senior year, and even if they don't pass it, they can still graduate. As long as they do have those 6 credits. Now, it's taken in the last year of high school, and this includes the summer preceding high school, the senior year. And so if the student, say, takes 1 credit of math over the summertime and then 1 in the school year, that still all encompasses the last year of high school. And lastly, there's also another clause that says that if a student is returning because they haven't passed their classes, so for example, a student planned on that year being their senior year, didn't pass their English class and came back for a semester to complete that English credit, that doesn't mean that they need to retake math again in order to meet this criteria. Here are a couple of the changes to keep in mind. There has been a new Senate bill, the Senate Bill 1266, which actually struck a clause related to graduation, to the math senior graduation requirement. Now, it's important to keep in mind that this was only applicable to statute 3351-12C, which actually applied to gifted and talented students. So even though there was language struck related to the math graduation requirement, it was not removed via this Senate bill. And so there are some rules being made and negotiated rulemaking around the graduation requirement. There will be more to come this year, but keep in mind that this Senate bill did not remove the senior year math requirement for all students. And one other thing to keep in mind, now this is in temporary rule as of April 18th, 2018, and there was basically a second exemption added. Prior to this rule, it said that students who complete dual credit calculus or AP calculus or higher prior to their senior year were exempt from taking math their senior year. There is also a second exemption since April that looks like this. So students who earn 8 or more high school credits of math and complete Algebra 2 or higher, they're exempt from taking math their senior year. So essentially what this will look like is if a student, let's say, starts in Algebra 1 in 8th grade, goes on to Algebra 2 in 9th grade, takes Geometry 10th grade, and then their senior year they take another kind of math class. If they've earned 8 credits and gone through Algebra 2, they are now exempt from taking math their senior year. So those are the updates related to the senior graduation requirement.